students, welcome, and this is introductory questions. So the topic here is weather. So the first question is, what's the weather like where you live? Now this answer will depend on the place where you live. Okay, but because I live in Uttarakhand, I will summarize the answer through that way only. So the answer would be, I live in Uttarakhand, which is a mountainous region, and the weather is mainly cool and pleasant. Where I live, the weather is cool and pleasant. Okay. During the monsoon, it rains a lot, and the weather gets even better. During the monsoon time, it rains a lot here, and the weather gets even better. Weather gets pristine. There is a beautiful breeze, cold breeze that flows. If I want to elaborate the answer further, I can say that also. So the second question is, do you prefer cold or hot weather? Now this depends upon what you prefer. Okay. Well, in my state the weather is quite interesting. State, region. Okay. We get all four seasons, but I must say I prefer cold weather. You are directly answering the question by saying you prefer cold weather. Don't say I prefer cold weather and just stop. You have to elaborate your answer. Okay. There is something incredible about the snow-capped mountains. Now here I am elaborating further about the region itself where I live and the crisp winter air. Moreover, it is perfect for all winter sports we enjoy here. It is perfect for winter sports. Winter sports such as skiing. Okay. So the third question is, do you prefer dry or wet weather? Here it is asking about cold or hot. Here it is asking about dry or wet. Okay. So when it comes to the weather, I'd say I prefer dry weather. When it comes to preference between dry weather and rainy weather, I prefer dry weather. Due to the geography, it gets very cold during the winter time, and rain only exacerbates the situation. Exacerbates further, pushes it further. So, in the mountainous region, when it gets rainy, the weather dips. So, the temperature plummets and it becomes very cold. Okay. Additionally, I like dry sunny weather as it is easier to walk unlike rainy days when the road becomes slushy and dirty. Slushy, how should I describe slush? Slush is when mud combines with water and it creates a kind of like a muddy weather. Okay, or when ice combines with water. Okay, so you have a semi kind of liquid icy weather and it becomes very difficult to walk. So that is a slush. Slush is mud, ice, or mud, ice, water combining together and the road becomes bad. Okay. So the fourth question is, are you in the habit of checking the weather forecast? When and how often? So answer could be, checking the weather forecast is a daily habit for many of us here. This is talking about a location. When we talk about many of us here, we talk about the people in the city or the people in the town. With the weather being so transient means it changes frequently. It is essential to know what to expect, especially in the mountains. I usually check it in the morning before heading out for the day and then again in the evening for the next day's plan. Okay? I often make sure that I often check the weather before going out so that I know what to carry. So if it is cloudy, I can always carry my umbrella. Okay? So the fifth question is, what do you think are the effects of climate change in recent years? Now this is a very common question. Whenever the topic of weather comes in, climate change is kind of interrelated to it. So, climate change is a concerning issue worldwide, and we are experiencing its effects here in India as well. Glaciers are melting, and there are more frequent extreme weather events. There are more frequent extreme weather events. Extreme weather events are floods, drought. Okay, so these are extreme weather events like heavy rain and avalanches. Due to heavy rainfall, avalanches may happen. It is a stark reminder of the need to take action to protect our environment and our beautiful surroundings. So, it is a stark reminder that weather is changing, so we need to be more environmentally friendly. We need to protect our environment. We need to use less plastic. We need to plant more trees. We need to use more biodegradable products. Okay, so these were the introductory questions for the topic weather. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. So, if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button